Hi, my name is Tony Law from Reverse 4 Houses, and I hope you can hear me okay. I'm down here on the north coast of Spain for a few weeks. Liana and I are doing a bit of travelling around. And as many of you know, I do property coaching. I do property coaching calls for people. Hopefully, the coaching calls help them to kind of move on with their property investing journey. But I wanted to share the content of a phone call that I've literally just had. I'm not going to tell you anything about the person, names, or their circumstances. That's not really the point of the video. This is the point of the video. They have done some property training with a very high profile property trainer. I'm not going to tell you who it is. I am going to say I know them to be highly competent. So I have no question that the training they received is really, really good. But when I asked them this question, so tell me something, because they haven't gone out and bought any properties, even though they've done this massive big course. Tell me something, how many properties have you been to go and see this week? The answer came back, none. How many this month? None. So the conclusion that I have to come to here is that they are not taking any action moving forwards. They may have received the best training that's out there, but they're not taking any action. And the thing is, it's not about the training. The training is kind of not irrelevant, but of far less importance than taking action. If you're not taking any action, if you're not going out and doing viewings, if you're not engaging with letting agents, estate agents, if you're not putting some marketing material out there and attracting sellers to contact you, etc., 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 you're not going to move forwards. You're not going to build yourself a mini portfolio. So I have a little challenge for you, if you'll allow me. I would love you this week, in the next 7 days, to go out and only view 5 properties. That's the key. The more properties you see, the better chance there is of you uncovering an incredible deal. Somewhere where maybe you can either buy it at a big discount, or you could add value in some substantial way, or create some kind of a creative solution for the seller. But if you're not seeing the properties in the first place, well, that's never going to happen, is it? 5 properties, 5 viewings in the next 7 days. I would love you to go out and do that. And if you do, please, please, please comment in the section below. If you would like a 50-point checklist that covers all the steps you need to take before buying that next investment property, simply click on the link here in the description box below. I'll be delighted to send it straight out to you.